What's up everybody, Mike here. So today I want to talk a little bit about airdrops, in particular the JUP token that's going to drop on the Jupiter platform. On my last video I went and talked about the WEN token, and I want to kind of go over what I did to get those 600 and something thousand tokens on the Jupiter platform, and also talk a little bit about the JUP coin that's going to drop here on January 31st. Before we jump into this, if you could please like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get more information from me. I'd appreciate that. Alright, let's roll. Alright, so first things first, I'm over here on the Jupiter platform, the jup.ag, so that's jup.ag right here, and I have my Phantom wallet connected here, and I want to just kind of go over just a few things that I did, and we're going to just go over these three tabs here, the swap, limit order, and the DCA. So let me go. I have a little bit of Solana, almost a Solana here, and then all I went ahead and did was I actually just swapped for some honey here, and it was about $8-10 bucks worth, and that participated in doing transaction on this platform that gave me these tokens here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that again here real quick, but as you can see here, this little message shows that JUP is here, and if you click on that, I already did, it kind of goes over here and it shows you that I don't have any allocations to buy for to get any of those coins, but if you scroll down here you can actually get some JUP. I was here about, I don't know, earlier today, and I didn't see this. It just said it was not available, so it is available now. And I'm recording this about 8-7 Central. So let me just make this transaction. So once you have your wallet connected, make sure you have some coins in there, Solana preferably, and then you just select USDC, and then you can do max or half, or how you can type in how much you want. I'm just gonna do 0.1, which is about 10 bucks of Solana, and then one hop with Orca, hit swap. You should get a message here saying, just to confirm, I gotta put a password in here real quick, and I'm doing this live, so I see network fee. There we go. Auto confirm now. I'm not gonna do that. Confirming transaction, and you notice that I have 0.844 sold right now. All right, now I have 0.74, and I have basically $10 worth of USDC. So that's how we would do a swap. Come over here, and also for limit orders, I'm gonna go ahead and keep Solana up here, and then I'm gonna just buy a little bit more honey here just because I have it already. I'm gonna change this to 0.1 like I did before, and I'm just gonna keep whatever they have recommended here. Limit order for that amount, and I'm gonna place that order. Exchange fee, confirm. That's the rate. You'll see this message here, submitting transaction. All right, so transaction was successful. I'm gonna scroll back up here to dollar cost average, DCA, and I'm gonna use Solana here. Put in 0.1. I'm gonna use $10, and I'm gonna buy some more honey. Yeah, so I'm gonna use about $10 worth of Solana, and then this is the amount of honey that I'm gonna get, 97.2, and what you can select, the frequency. I'm just doing this to run transactions on Jupiter, so I'm gonna do one for 1 month, and then one a month for 2 orders, so that's twice, and then I'm gonna just start the DCA. It's gonna make me confirm. I'm gonna confirm that. And transaction was submitted. Alright, so let's go back to the swap page, and when we click on here, we'll jump to this page about the Jupiter token. And like I said, I don't have any here because I didn't run the transaction, but we can actually get some. Let me just go over this article here. So, JUP set to drop January 31st on the Solana platform. Talks a little bit about it here. I'll put this article in the description below. So basically they're going to do 4 tiers. So tier 1, which is the biggest tier for the top 2,000 users, you have to basically have made $1 million worth of transactions to get 100,000 tokens. It's pretty huge, but that's a lot of money. And then tier 2, 10,000 users will get trading volume over 100,000 will receive 20,000 tokens. And then tier 3, 50,000 users that did 10,000 in trading volume will get 3,000 tokens, and then the additional 150,000 users with the trading volume over 1,000 will get 1,000 tokens. And then it says, I guess everybody else that's done something will get 200 tokens beyond tier 4. But I'll leave this in the description below so that you can check that out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try and buy some here now that it's available. Let's see, you're paying, and I'm gonna just use Solana because I have $10 worth of USDC. Let's just go ahead and do that. And then slippage, we'll use $8. Oh, trading not available. Okay, well, at this time of recording, you can't do that trade. So, yeah, there's that. So, just a heads up, I'm just letting you know that the JUP token, if you qualify, and I think it said that you had to have done some trades, before November 2nd. And it talks a little bit more about that here. So if you have done that, then you should see just like the WEN token up here where it's going to say this is how many tokens you got. So just to let you know, you should be seeing that, and it says there's no rush to claim those tokens, but definitely whenever there's future airdrops that are going to happen, I'm going to let you know here. But running through and doing some of these transactions on this platform gives you that opportunity to get those airdrops. So just let me know, did you get any of these tokens, or is that process pretty easy? Do you need help on creating a Phantom wallet or whatever wallet and connecting that? Drop a comment below. Let me know how many tokens you got. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate you guys, and have a good one. And real quick, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm just trying to show you guys what I'm doing. This is for entertainment purposes. So thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.